Hello viewers, greetings with the distanced bow of the cave warriors. Exactly, I am Deepan Chakraborty. The blessings of my principal man has found the best in me to share this platform with many laureates. Now in this video I am going to say you about my new invention that I have made during this pandemic, that is Li-Fi in Smart City. So in this video I am going to say you about this project in detail. So the first question comes in our mind, that is what is Li-Fi? So Li-Fi is light fidelity. It is as similar as Wi-Fi but not exactly, because in Wi-Fi we use radio signals to transmit or communicate with each other. But in Li-Fi we use light to communicate with each other or sending or transferring our data. So here we use light rather than radio signal. So this yellow colored box is the building, so which will produce the data as Wi-Fi signal using light, and there will be present one solar panel in each and every car, so that the car user could be able to use the solar energy as well as the Wi-Fi which is produced by the building, and the solar panel which catch this data and amplify it to audio or other multimedia signals. So it is the solar panel, and I am using here one sound box to show this activity, and one tablet also. To show this activity I am using this solar panel. So this solar panel will be kept on the car, and next I am using one sound box which will be present inside the car, and I am using this circuit where I have kept one lithium ion battery, some resistors, one LED, one 3.5mm jack, and one tablet. So this light will fall on the road, and whenever the car will pass through it, then it will be able to use the Wi-Fi signal like this. Now I am going to show you how does it work. So first of all I have connected one 3.5mm jack in the tablet, and now I am going to play one song. You can see that these rays of LED are falling on the surface like this, and this is the solar panel which will be used on the car. And now I am putting it in the range. Now you could be hear the sound. You could be hear the music which is playing. This music data is transferred through light. Here I am not transferring energy. Here is transferred data. You can see whenever I am putting my hand in between them, then the song stops playing, and whenever I am putting this solar panel closer to LED, then this music is playing louder, and whenever I am taking out the solar panel, then this music stops playing. So this is the basic activity which will be used in the car also. So this technology is 4 times faster than Wi-Fi. Now I'm coming to the benefits of using Wi-Fi rather than Wi-Fi. So first benefit is Wi-Fi. The cost of Wi-Fi is very less, so anyone could be able to afford it. And second benefit is in Wi-Fi, the radio signals become harmful for our environment, but the Wi-Fi uses light, so it is not that much makes harm in our environment. So it is the second benefit. Now I am coming to the third benefit. So the third benefit is Wi-Fi takes very less amount of electricity, so it is a good for us. Now the fourth benefit is Wi-Fi is 4 times faster than Wi-Fi, so yeah, we can able to transfer our data 4 times faster than Wi-Fi. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.